don't want no bad vibes in the mass.
Hi, I'm Lily from Lily's Dance, and today we are going to be learning Hullabaloo's Carnival Dance. So before we get started, it's important to clear a space around you as big as you can. Make sure there's nothing on the floor that you can trip over and nothing you're going to hit too hard. Just be aware of your space so you don't hurt yourself. So step one, we're going to start nice and simple. Our arms come out and we do an aeroplane turn, as we call it, round for 8, and then switch it round to the other side and round again. So the next moves are we jump and wave down, and then we come up and we turn all the way round. To go down again and up and turn all the way round. The next move is what we call 4-2-2. So we go diagonally forwards 4, 2 back and 2 to the side. But obviously in the space, just do what you can. So we go 1, 2, 3. Go backwards. To the side. Next we are nice and simple. We're going to jump and shimmy. Jump and shimmy, our arms come up, down, up, down. Let's go to your left, jump and shimmy, and up, down to the front. This one is nice and simple. We do big arms over, stepping over to our right, over to our left, and we call this a rainbow. The last moves we are going to learn, we are going to jump and wave, and then clap and jump. Jump and wave, clap and jump. So that is all the moves, so let's put it into the dance.
We don't want no bad vibes in the mass. Because everybody ready up for the mass. Because all ready to jump, all ready to play, all ready for mass, ready to make we name, all ready to jump hard and wave hard and jump hard and wave hard. You better pick a side, cause now we ready to ride it. This side of fire, this side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. My side of fire, my side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. Show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. Oh, show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. All the pain make me stronger, I suffer no longer. The harder the fight, Lord, the victory sweet. We just time in me life, no, man, nothing will bother me. I full of energy, can't stop me now. All ready to jump, all ready to play, all ready for mass, ready to make we name, all ready to jump hard and wave hard and jump hard and wave hard. You better pick a side, cause now we ready to ride it. This side of fire, this side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. My side of fire, my side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. Show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. Oh, show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. Oh, yeah, pretty cool them there. Hey, you better clap your hands now. Hey, yeah, yeah, you better clap your hands now. Na 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 na. If you with me, show me now. Na 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 na. Pictures I don't do not go. Na 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 na. If you with me, show me now. You better pick a side, cause now we ready to ride it. This side of fire, this side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. My side of fire, my side of energy, a positive energy, and they cannot damage it. Show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. Oh, show me now everything, show me now everything, up in the sky there, tell them to pick a side. Oh, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. We don't want no bad vibes in the mass. Because everybody ready up for the mass. Because na 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 na.
Right at the the end there where I put my arms up, you can do whatever you like. Add your own flair, make it yours. When you've got the dance down, make sure you film it, maybe teach your family members, and maybe put some fancy dress on or a wacky outfit. Use the hashtag Hullabaloo Dance so we can find it. Let's get dancing!
We don't want no bad vibes in